Hi, I'm Lee, welcome back to the channel. Just going to be a quick video. It is a bit of DIY, it's not on the house. Tough times at the moment. I've not been doing much work on the house, just with getting this business up and running, and obviously now this horrible bug is spreading around. But as you know, hand sanitizer is a must at the moment, and selfish people have taken all the hand sanitizer from the shops, and it is possible to find. So we are going to make our own. All hand sanitizer really is isopropyl alcohol. This is 99%. You can get this off Amazon. You can't get this exact one. This is from Hexil. But you can search for IPA isopropyl alcohol. Give you a close up of it there. Yeah, rubbing alcohol, IPA isopropyl alcohol. It's basically 99.9% alcohol. And I vape. You don't need a litre bottle that is this side. I'm a vapor. I've just made up some of my own liquids. And this is vegetable glycerin. This is just, you use this just as a moisturizer, so you need a tiny little drop of it, which I've, from making my e-liquids up, I've just got like a mil sort of left in the bottom of there. But you don't really need this. This is just to act as a moisturizer, because if you use alcohol and water, you know, your hands are going to dry out, and no one wants that. We just got this little travel bottle set from just from a local sort of chemistry shop. Where was it? It was I think it's like a Body Shop or something like that. It's just a travel bottle set, and in there you get 2 spray bottles. I think they're probably about 50 ml, and you get a sort of spare bottle with just a normal lid. I've been using this one at the moment. That's just got plain water in there. I've not made any of this up before, so I'm not sure if it's any good, but there are videos out there online. But you know, some of my subscribers might not think about searching for a DIY liquid. These lids are interchangeable, so you can make yourself a spare bottle up, so the lids fit on either or. Now for a good hand sanitizer mix, it needs to be at least 60%. There are some people I've seen that are using like vodka, but it's only 40-50%. But you need at least 60% alcohol. Now I have got some like pipettes that I can measure it out if I want to. But if you've got a bottle, you can literally just measure it. So if we put on there, that's sort of 7 centimeters, but you're on the bend of the neck really, so you're going to be getting less in there. So if you just say, right, it's 6 centimeters, I want to make it up to there. So if you say 2, 4, 6, cut it into thirds, you know that at 4 centimeters that is going to be 66.6%. So you'd want to fill your alcohol level at least up to there. So we'd probably fill it up to the 4.5 centimeter mark. Even the 5, you could even go stronger. The stronger it is, the better. You can make it to like 70%. So all we need to do this, I mean, I've got alcohol because I clean up. I do some electronic works on another channel where I fix stuff that you know, we buy from car boot sales. My other channel is like to do with the business of like reselling on eBay. So this alcohol cleans up stuff like that. And it's also good for taking sticky labels off because it melts glue. But anyway, all we need to do with this, you can just pour it in there. I mean, you're not going to have this measuring stuff, so let's just get a pen. I mean, most of you have got like a ruler or something, so you can literally just measure on here our 6 centimeters. So that's sort of where we can fill it up to. But if we mark on here 4.5 centimeters, roughly there, doesn't have to be precise. We know this is going to then be around the 70% mark of alcohol, isopropyl. So obviously you can just tip it in there, I've got my plunger. So that's about 10 ml. This will also tell me how big this bottle is. I'm sure it's probably about 50 ml. So that's 10, 20. Right, so that is 30 ml. That is 30 millimeters, and I'm up to the line I've drawn on there. Obviously, I tilted it so you couldn't see it, but there you go. So that's 70 ml. 70 ml. So that's 30 milliliters of alcohol. And then I've just got a bowl of water over here that I've been using to clean some stuff. Probably should go and get some fresh water actually. Oh no, it's only going on my hands. It's only like vape stuff I've used this for. So that's just 10 ml of water going in there. Which has taken us up to our second line. So because we've used 3 parts or 30 ml alcohol and 1 part or 10 ml water, that is actually a mix of 75% at the moment. So that is 75% strength. Now you can just use that as it is. I mean, you can use that. You can use neat alcohol because this evaporates. If you wanted to clean your letters or your parcels, if you get anything, you could just use that. You just need alcohol and water. You could put that on there and you can spray your parcels and letters. And because it's mainly alcohol, the alcohol just evaporates. It doesn't, soak and make a mess of your parcels and letters. But if you're using this as a hand cream, we've got our vegetable glycerin. Like I say, I have got a tiny bit left in this bowl for I've just made my vaping liquids. Actually, just take the nozzle off of that now. So let's see what we've got left in here. You only really need a few drops of this, which is really all I've got left in here. So there, that is literally 2 ml in there. Not really got my lights turned up. So that's probably, that's probably too much. You don't need that much glycerin in here. So I'm just going to do half of that. 1 ml. You can see that's all just sunk to the bottom down there. And that is that. We can now put our lid on. Give it a good shake it up. And obviously we use glycerin because it will mix with water. If you was to try and use like an oil for like an oil moisturizer for your hands, it's not going to mix with the water. So that's it. Giving that a little shake. It's all nicely mixed together. And now I can literally put this in my pocket, take it anywhere I go, and just squirt some in my hand. Rub it all in. And when you're using it, make sure you get it everywhere. You see, you can feel the glycerin in that. But also, like I say, you probably don't even need as much as what I've put in there. And that actually feels nice and soft. 75% alcohol. It's stronger than the stuff you buy in the shops. And that is going to sanitize your hands. Probably better than what you can buy. A litre of this will probably cost you around $8.99. This actual one, I've just had a quick look on Amazon, is out of stock and I don't know when it's going to be back in, because obviously alcohol at the moment is used for hand sanitizers, so a lot of this is out of stock. But there is still stuff on Amazon. If you search for isopropyl, IPA, or rubbing alcohol, just make sure it's 99%, and then you can work out your percentages, what to put in a bottle. I'm going to fill this one up now, so I've got reserve, and just take it with you if you're going out to the shops, essential shops at the supermarkets. Take that with you. You can even spray that, or make a neater one without the vegetable glycerin. You can take that with you, spray it on your shopping basket, spray it on your trolley handles when you go and do your shopping, and just keep safe. So that's how you can make your own quick, easily. That's going to cost you £8 for a whole litre. I mean, this is £9 for this is £9 for a litre of this. So you can get a little bottle of, just look for vegetable glycerin or glycol, and that's about it. You can make as much hand sanitizer you want. You ain't got to worry about shops running out. So get some of this delivered, get making your own hand sanitizer. Stay safe, stay indoors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please comment, share it with your friends so they can all make their own. And yeah, thanks for watching and stay safe.